Hello viewers, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to how to check how to check your pixel ID whether it is installed on your website properly or not. So I will check whether the pixel ID is properly installed on your website or not. For that you have to use an extension. So for that you have to add an Chrome extension. The name of the Chrome extension is Facebook Pixel Helper. So you can type here Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. You have to add this Chrome extension to your Chrome. So I have already added this Chrome extension to my Chrome. So here it is. So I will check it. So after installing it, you just have to add it from here, pin it from here, and go to your website and then click on the Facebook picture. You can see here I have added my page view. So my Facebook pixel ID is properly installed, and I will check the one thing, and you can also see the product manager here, and I'll refresh this, and this red will be green, this red point. Here you can see uh, this red point has been green, so it means that your Facebook pixel has been connected to your website. So now I will see one thing, that uh, whether the page view, I will see whether the event is receiving on this page view pixel or not. So go to the event manager. Just click on test event. Go to the preview mode. I will check whether the event is going to event manager or not, because this is the most important. Whatever I am doing is because to send the events to the event manager. So it has been connected and it has been fired. So I'll see here, you can see here that event received page view event, the page view event which I had created on the scroll tag manager, it has been sent to event manager, so it is properly working. Okay, thanks for watching my video, and in the next video I'll show you how to create another tag like view content, view card, AddToCart, purchase. Step by step I'll show you everything. Thank you so much for watching my video. Just do subscribe, like and comment, and also hire me if you need this service, because I am a full-time freelancer. For hire me, just check the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.